Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Annie Krieger. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us, and to my return subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. Today we are having this interesting international coleslaw salad. I don't know which country where you wouldn't find coleslaw salad. One thing I love about coleslaw salad is the crunchiness and the creaminess. You can pair this salad to any dish of your choice, with rice, to barbecue in summer, you name it, or with some bread. It's such a good one. But please, let's talk about something else. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please just support me, motivate me to bring more video by subscribing. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So please stay tuned. Let's get started. To begin with, guys, I have my half a large cabbage and then slice them into a fine julienne form. Julienne form is just a way of slicing your vegetables just like this. I don't know how you like to have yours, but I love to have mine like my coleslaw salad like this because they looks more attractive and easy to chew like this. So I am going to transfer my julienne into a large bowl. So next is my carrot, guys. Please don't forget to check out the exact ingredient in the description box out. I love to have my carrot also in a julienne form, so I just had to handle it this way without cutting it on my grater. Just scrape it up and down and you will have that beautiful julienne form also. I'm going to slice one large red onion and then set aside. This red onion, I love to go for it because this will give it a beautiful color and also amazing taste. Back to my julienne carrot and cabbage, I am then going to add in the sweet corn. And then to achieve a very creamy coleslaw salad, you mustn't go for 100% mayonnaise, which is fat. That's why I'll be going for some amount of natural yogurt, small amount of sour cream, and also small amount of mayonnaise. I added some salt to taste, and then next is apple cider vinegar. You can go for any vinegar of your choice, but this one is also good. Don't ask me why I love cracked pepper on coleslaw salad. So I added some cracked pepper in here and then 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Unfortunately, I had some lemon oil at home, then I added some drops of lemon oil. You can go for any oil of your choice. Even sometimes I forget to add oil, I don't miss it at all. But this lemon oil, is so good on this salad. You will love it. And then gently give this salad a mix. Do not rough handle this salad, like pamper this salad. Don't press it, just mix it, and this is it. You have a creamy salad. Don't forget to always chew this salad. Always have it in your fridge. Let it get cold. It gets spoiled very easy, I tell you. So always have it chilled, yeah. And then I added my sliced onion, and that is this. It's all looking good. The color is immediately different. It tasted so good. Even a day after, it was more tasty. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in. I'm just going to transfer to my serving dish, and yeah, thank you all for always tuning in. To my return subscribers, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to like at the end of it, and also leave your comment down below. See you in my next one, guys. Love you all. Bye for now.